Hi, little A.
Hi,
How you been?
good.
And how old are you?
6.
And we're on this mission to help you pass your GCSE biology. So I'm going to start just with a few questions just to see if you can remember, get you up to speed and so on. First thing is, there's two types of cells. What are they?
Prokaryote, eukaryote.
Excellent. And can you remember any of the labels in a eukaryotic cell?
Nucleus, ribosomes, mitochondria,
Fantastic. And in a prokaryotic cell?
nucleoid cell wall, and it has a green layer.
That's right. Well remembered. And what I'm going to do today to start
And
off
they
with,
also have pili as well.
they do have pili as well. You're really, really good. Remember, they don't always have all of those things. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I'm going to give you one or two extra labels today. What's this I'm drawing?
Red blood cell,
No,
a cell, right?
yeah, just a cell. And can you remember what that's called there?
Uh,
That's the
the
cell membrane.
it looks a bit like a boiled egg.
Well, you say boiled egg, I think fried egg. But anyway, this, what's that called?
The cell,
No, it's a bit inside the cell. What is it called? Begins with N. You've said it already.
mitochondria.
No, nucleus tiger.
Ah,
Now, what are these things?
mitochondria.
They're mitochondria. Yeah, very good. So they're mitochondria. Now, I'm going to add another label. This is cytoplasm, and cytoplasm means sort of plasmary stuff in the cell. Cyto sort of means cell. So, can you say that word?
Cytoplasm.
Yeah. Oh, cytoplasm, little Alf. Come on, mate. Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
That didn't sound like the little boy that got thrown out of his football today for fighting, but we won't talk about that. Anyway, it wasn't a proper fight. It was just you were tackling aggressively, weren't you? Anyway, cytoplasm, cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, and what are these little things called again? Can you remember? Make a guess.
Ribosomes.
Good guess. Ribosomes. Now, can you remember what any of these things did, ribosomes?
Ribosomes make
They do. They make proteins. All right.
alright.
Mitochondria, can you remember what they did?
They make energy.
Energy, absolutely. And the nucleus,
Controls the brain.
well, it controls the cell, yeah? It's like the brain of the cell. Very good. Excellent stuff. Right, let's have a little look at your another type of cell here. Now, this one's a
Prokaryote.
tricky one. No, we're not doing the prokaryotes. I'm going to confuse you a little bit by drawing a general, in other words, not a particular type, a general, what does this say?
Plasma. Plant cell.
A general plant cell. Now, a big general plant cell, it has something around the outside. What do you think that might be around the outside of the cell?
Uh,
Was it?
Something which catches sunlight.
Oh, good try. Very good try for a plant. No, it's, I'll give you a clue. It goes around the edge of the garden. It's the
Fence.
cell fence. I like it. Good guess. Cell wall. Right. Now, inside the cell wall, you've still got what normally is on the outside of the cell, which is a
Wall. Cell membrane.
cell membrane. Very good. So you've still got the cell membrane, but you've got a nice thick cell wall. And the reason is that plants need that cell wall in order to
How
have their
about an animal cell?
animal cells don't have that cell wall normally, unless, of course, they're prokaryotes, which you were telling me about. Now, this big thing in the middle is a large vacuole. Now, that's a really,
Vacuole.
say again,
Vacuole.
vacuole. It's a very difficult word to say.
Vacuole.
It's a vacuole.
Vacuole.
Vacuole, absolutely. It's a vacuole.
Vacuole.
And it's large, isn't it? And it's in the middle, isn't it? So it's a large central vacuole. Now, here you go. See if you can guess what that is.
The mitochondria.
Yeah, we won't even bother labeling it. What do you think these might be?
The ribosomes.
The ribosomes. And what do you think this might be here?
I think that might be
It's the only one we've missed out.
the nucleus.
It's the nucleus. Well done, you superstar. And can you even guess what that is in the middle? It's a new word we've learnt today. Begins with C. Y. T.
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Woo!
Genius. So you've got a few more labels there. What does the vacuole do? Well, it helps support the cell if it's full of water, if it's sort of really, the word is turgid, if it just makes it really, really firm.
Turgid?
Yeah, don't worry about that word. We'll scoot over that word for today. But yes, I wanted to show you a general plant cell because today what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at two other types of cells which are found in plants. And these have the most difficult words imaginable. Now, you win £1 million if you can say that the right way. What does that say?
Liam.
Say it again.
Liam.
It's hard, isn't it? You say it like this. Can you say that?
Lem. Lem.
Xy.
Hey, it's an X.
It is an X, but that's how you say it. Xylem. Or if you prefer,
Yeah, but
xylem.
Dad,
No, that's xylem, isn't it? Never
the
mind.
only
Yeah.
thing is you're not supposed to do an X like that. You're supposed to do diagonally down, diagonally up.
What, like that?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, the reason I don't do that is that's often confused with a times sign in maths, isn't it? And I have got used to, over the years, for example, doing x times 3, because you and I have done a little tiny bit of this algebra stuff. So that's why I do my x's like that.
Alphabet guessing.
Yeah, anyway, that's my excuse. So we've got xylem, and the other word is this one, which is even more hard to say. What do you think that says?
Phloem.
Very good. And you say it like that, phloem. Yeah?
Yes, I got it right.
Yeah, you did get it right. Well done, you.
I thought I get £1 million if I get it right.